Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out with making a story on Instagram. Alright, first of all we want to tap on the plus icon mid in the bottom, and from here we want to tap on story. From here tap left in the bottom on a picture that you want to create on your story, and I want to post a beautiful pen again on my story. Alright, now we are seeing here the picture. We can do a lot of things with this story. We can give it everything that you will see here. Share the location, mention someone, add music, create a poll, hashtag, whatever you want. We can also give it a beautiful effect like this. But you can do a lot of things. But from now, we just want to create the post. So from now, the only thing that you have to do is tap on your story. From here, the picture is uploading to our story. So if I tap on my own story now, you will see left in the bottom, uploading. When the whole circle is filled up and the uploading is gone, your story got posted and everyone can see your story now. So as you can see now, it's seeable and everyone can check my story. If you find this helpful, please smash a like and thanks for watching.